back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bake applesauce muffins, so let's get right into it.
For this recipe, you will need a single egg, olive oil, 2/3 cup of mashed banana, honey, unsweetened applesauce, brown sugar, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, almond milk, flour, and almond flour. Some of the materials you will need are a whisk, a spatula, measuring cups, a mixing bowl, a muffin tin, and muffin liners.
So first things first, we're going to add in our egg. We're going to crack it, break it into our bowl. Now give me a second while I go wash my hands. So we're going to whisk our egg in our bowl. This will make it not as chunky, and it's also because we're only using one egg rather than 2 or 3. So now we're going to add in our olive oil. This is 1/4 of a cup. And we're going to whisk that in with the egg. So next we're going to be adding in mashed banana. I used a fork to break it up, so you just have to press your fork into it and stir it. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of honey, specifically clover honey because it tastes better in my opinion. And we're going to whisk that all together. So we're just going to finish scooping our honey with our handy dandy spatula, and we're going to add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. It gets crystallized really fast over here, so we have to scoop that good stuff in. So now that we've whisked all of our ingredients together, we're going to add in 2/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce. You could feel free to add more. Now that we've added our applesauce, your mixture should look something like this. Now we're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to sprinkle that in. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add that in. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're going to whisk that all in. Okay, so we're going to add in 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of almond flour. You can use almond meal if you wish. It just depends whichever one you want to use. Put that in. And then we have 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add that in as well. And now we're going to whisk it together and it will become a true batter. We have our oven preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just going to spoon in our batter into these muffin liners. This recipe made 11 muffins, and we're going to place those in the oven, which is set at 375 for 16 to 20 minutes. Now this is how much I filled the muffin tin for, and they're a good sized muffin, so when you take them out, so cute. I've taken the muffins out after 17 minutes and I let them cool for 20. So now here comes the fun part, we get to decorate. I've placed some cream cheese frosting in a Ziploc bag and cut the edge of the Ziploc bag so you have control over your frosting. Now you can use any flavor you prefer as long as you think it goes along with your applesauce muffins. So that's 1 cupcake down. Now we go on to the second one. Now we got 2 down and 6 more to go. This recipe made about 11 cupcakes. You can feel free to decorate it with whatever you want. I have some fruits right here and some sprinkles. I also added cream cheese frosting, but you can add whatever you think would go good with these. Now I'm going to finish these up with some strawberries on the red liners and some blueberries on the blue liners, obviously, because we like being color-coded. And I'm going to add in a few sprinkles to make it look pretty. This is the finished result. They taste as good as they look. I hope you guys enjoy them. See you next time. Bye!